Look at what lies at your feet. Ever seen 100,000 tires all together? We do daily. It's all around you. Let's go. "26 brands, and also in all sizes. Order them online, easy within 3 steps. With 50 years experience as a truck expert, we have the largest stock with more than 100,000 tires and rims. And we deliver premium brands and import brands on any location you prefer. We share our knowledge online and through dedicated personal contact. Therefore, we speak 12 languages. But the most important, of course, is quick delivery. So let's go.